So after trying all the products and going through the workshop, what do you think of Restoration Essence brand?
I think it's actually very interesting and very good because you don't find very natural organic products in the market for a rather affordable price. Because even if you get beauty products of in Korea or other places where they say it's very good and all this, it's about the same prices or even more expensive, yet they have a lot of chemicals inside involved. And also me for having very weird skin, sometimes even sensitive skin, not a lot of products. I will tend to stay away from a lot of products. But as for Restoration Essence, a lot of products are suitable. They don't cause reactions, and also they smell very nice and don't feel very sticky.
Okay. Would you recommend it to other friends or
Yeah, definitely I would recommend it to my friends, especially those with sensitive skin or they are very not very. They are very careful of what products they use because they don't dare to try different products. Yeah, definitely recommend this range to them.
As a millennial, then do you think that the millennials also love it?
Yeah, I think so because nowadays it's all about health, nature, organic stuff, and then especially now even in supermarkets you also see people there's a more organic range coming out and everything. So I guess the fact that it's all self-cultivated and although there's no chemicals and everything would definitely attract the millennials. Actually for all age groups I feel that it will really attract them.
What do you think of? Hello, what do you think of Restoration Essence products?
I feel that this product is actually chemical free and also suitable for everyone to use. And also you have a very good point which is natural, which is safe to use. Yeah.
Okay. So you as a guy, who has never really used other products, what do you think about it?
I think that just now during the experience, I feel that the entire process is very refreshing and the skin take in all the nutrients very fast. Yeah, and I would definitely recommend it to my friend.
Okay, now what's this?
Oh, this is actually Pandan scrub. Yeah, Pandan is actually very good for detox and it's a natural painkiller. So I'm using this as a scrub and you can also do it as a mask. So you just use a little bit of it.
And scrub.
And scrub.
Scrub.